From air that you can wear, that air that is not very tolerable to breathe. We have air quality alerts that are in effect. Once again, the wildfire smoke from Canada has made its way into the sky over western New York, and it's actually now detectable at the surface, especially from Buffalo west. And that's a shame because that breeze that has shifted into the northwest is helping to dry things out so it's more comfortable. But spending a lot of time outside, especially if you suffer from respiratory issues and other health ailments, is not advisable here for any extended period of time. You can go out in short bursts, but it's probably best if you are in that unhealthy category to remain inside in air conditioning. It's cool and dry for tonight. Stays on the hazy side. This wildfire smoke is going to be with us at least into Thursday, and it will warm up some at that point. As we look at that wildfire smoke again, streaming in the areas that are shaded in yellow, indicative of some of the thicker smoke. It's with us through today into the overnight, and it'll start to thin out a little bit later on Thursday, so we might be able to get somewhat better air in. But again, we are squarely in that unhealthy category now. The air quality index now up to 156. Again, squarely in that unhealthy category for just about everybody, but especially for sensitive groups. And that's why the air quality alerts are in effect through at least midnight tonight officially. Hour by hour we go here as far as temperatures are concerned. Much lower in the temperature department into the low 70s today, which is well below the average. Again, in terms of the humidity, it's much more comfortable. That will be the case at least through early Friday morning, and then humidity levels come up. 62 right now, the breeze coming in out of the northwest. The visibility reduced not just in fog, but in smoke and haze, down to 3 miles in Niagara Falls this morning, down to 1 mile in Jamestown in some of that fog. We have a couple of spotty light showers, but those are fizzling fast. Futurecast shows the clouds thinning. You'll see some partial hazy sunshine later today, but that's going to allow for some of these volatile organic compounds in the air, the result of the burnt wood, to break down, because the sun will work on those compounds, break them down, and you'll get that smell of almost burning plastic. As we head into tomorrow, some sunshine, temperatures again back into the upper 70s and low 80s. 75 should do it for a top temp today with that hazy sunshine. Tonight brings hazy starlight. It's cooler, but again, the air quality still unhealthy through at least midnight tonight. There is that super 7-day forecast still on the smoky side for Thursday, but it will be warming up. Temperatures will be right around 80 degrees. You're going to notice more humidity in the atmosphere on Friday. We're up to 85 with increasing clouds. We work our way into the holiday weekend. Lots going on. We've got the Fall Street Festival, and we've got the 4th at the Great Pumpkin Farm. We're going to see some isolated showers and thunder showers going into early next week. And for the 4th, I think we'll see a blend of clouds and sun, still on the sticky side, high temperatures in the mid-80s. And you're watching Good Morning Buffalo. Stay with us.